Welcome to a video from thedigital-lifestyle.com. New Windows 11 build to look at. This is 22483 for Windows Insiders on the dev channel, and unfortunately this doesn't really have any new features. It doesn't have any new features at all. It's all bug fixes, but I'll go through the bug fixes and the known issues with this release. This is on the dev channel. Over on the beta channel it's just got the Android subsystem for Windows available, and I'll do a separate video on that. It's region locked to US, so if I can get it working I'll do a video on that. But that's on the beta channel. Here on the dev channel it's not available. It should be coming soon. Of course, the dev channel builds are future builds of Windows 11, more advanced builds, but Microsoft haven't ported that feature over yet. So what's new in this build? Microsoft have added the option to right click on the more section and refresh it. So if this needed updating, then you can refresh that. I'm not sure how often you really need to refresh that, but anyway, they've added that. The rest of the changes are fixes. So they've fixed an issue with search that appeared blank, not displaying any content below the search box. So you go into the search here and this bit would be a black box. They've fixed some issues with settings where when you were searching for, say, display wasn't working, showing correctly. On the Windows subsystem for Linux, they've fixed some errors on for ARM PC. I've got the Windows subsystem for Linux working quite well on here. Actually, I've got the Windows subsystem Linux working quite well. I can get graphical Linux programs working on here, like GIMP or whatever, and that works really well. Anyway, they fixed some issues with that. They fixed some issues with cellular data not working on dev channel, so if you had a SIM card in, and they fixed some issues with the web view. Now there are still some known issues with this build. You may get a blue screen with service exception after starting with the previous build. If you reboot then and retry the update, then you should be okay. You might have an issue with Game Pass. The start menu is an old one, but the start menu may not come up and you have to do Windows R to run it. Search is not always showing, and the search icon may not open and you have to restart Explorer. So I've got a full list of these known issues on thedigital-lifestyle.com. So unfortunately I can't really show you anything too exciting at the moment. There is not a lot of changes coming. Linux subsystem is good with graphical stuff on it. The Android support will be coming soon to the dev channel. It's already on the beta channel. Who knows what other new features are coming, but I'll bring them to you when Microsoft release them. So thanks for watching this video. You can follow me on Twitter @ISDixon, and I'll see you on the next one.